Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shakur and today we are going to solve a problem. Today's problem is very similar to the one we solved in the last session, but with one small difference. Let's work through this one together. Let's read the question together. The rigid bar EFG, here we have EFG, is supported by the truss system shown. Determine the cross-section area of member AE. This member. Let's change the color. This member AE, for which the normal stress in the member is 15 kc. From last question, I add the free body diagram to this page. Let's draw the force. Here we have F, I think ED or DE, and here we have another one, FAE. Let's change this, DE. And also we have here another force, FAB. And also, according to an equation, we have sigma Fy equals 0. It means minus 3,600 pounds plus, and we know another thing from Pythagoras, the length of AE is equal 5 foot, because up here 3 plus 4 equal 5. Plus FAE multiplied by if we have here alpha, we need sine alpha, which is equal 3 divided by 5, and it's equal 0. And here for FAE we have 3600 multiplied 5 divided by 3, and it's equal 6,000 pounds. Okay, according to general formula, we have sigma A, it's equal FAE divided by area of member AE, and now we have stress and load, and we want area. It's equal load divided by stress, and it's equal 6,000 divided by, here we have 15 kc. 15, which 6,000 pound is equal 6 kips divided by 15 kc. It's equal 0.4 square inch.